As soon as you pass the gate, a long tunnel leads you straight to the mosque grand front entrance. Both sides of the tunnel are decorated with beautiful paintings and designs which shows the history and the culture of the Grand Mosque. Wow, this is a magical moment. This mosque is huge. It can hold more than 40,000 people at one time. The mosque covers an area of over 22,000 square meters, which is almost equal to the size of 4 football fields. From the outside, you can see how beautiful it is. The mosque is white, made from marble, and shines under the sun. It looks peaceful and grand at the same time. There are 82 domes on top of the mosque and each one is covered in white marble. The mosque is also having 4 tall minars at the corners.